Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Aspect Mesh Office Chair. Features: superior quality, stylish yet practical mesh office chair suitable for the office environment, with a durable sculpted mesh backrest to keep you cool and comfortable, and a generously proportioned posture-curved air mesh seat with a waterfall front that eases pressure on the thighs and aids circulation. The chair is also fitted with soft padded fixed arms covered with matching air mesh fabric. A single lever lets you adjust the seat height and the locking tilt mechanism of the chair. By lifting the lever up, the user can adjust the gas seat height, and by pushing the lever in, the chair can be locked in the upright position. Pull it out again and the chair will float freely. The weight tension controller allows the floating tilt to be adjusted to suit the user's body weight. The chair is fitted with a sturdy black nylon 5-star base with robust Easy Glide casters, supplied with a mesh backrest and air mesh seat fabric in black. The chair is fitted with TUV and BIFMA tested gas lift and supports users up to 110 kilograms, 17.3 stone. Seat pad is fire retardant to British Standard BS 5852 and comes standard with a 2-year manufacturer's guarantee for 8 hours per day use. The UK's best price, available from stock and delivered flat packed or fully assembled on a free next day or day of choice delivery service from Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.